What are you pairing that salsa with?
Shrimp taco.
I look forward to your dip, chef.
Thank you, chef.
29 minutes and 41 seconds on the clock, chef.
29 seconds. Can you also take the shrimp, chef?
Perfect fucking bite.
Thank you, chef.
That's amazing, chef. Take the salsa.
Shrimp is still perfect. I'm sorry about this one.
Salsa is amazing, chef.
My salsa is on point. My flavors are on point. My shrimp is on point. Everything's on point.
24 seconds on the clock, chef.
24 seconds, chef?
24 minutes, 23 minutes. 3 minutes and 45 seconds on the clock, chef.
Thank you, chef.
You know what goes great with fucking tacos?
What? Spice.
Guac.
Wow.
That's your mid-time grab. Get to